Mazembe.
Duol matayo yiero pacho ka IEBC ochiwo ranyisi mar kaka giikore ne yiero maduong' ma higa 2027 ka gidwaro mondo mi sirikal omednegi omenda e bajet mar omenda mabiro. Ma giwacho ni biro konyo e tayo yiero no e yo makare. Wawinjane kaka chenro ma kamano dhi nyime.
Commission Chair, Commissioners, and ourselves as Secretary for this cordial discussion. And thank you for opening our eyes also, because this is an issue that we are, of course, it's a new issue, it's a new trend. And as we have agreed that it's not possible for us to do it alone, we'll be working very closely with this committee. And indeed, I agree with you. And budget allowing, and again, the beauty is the budget will come to you. When we bring it, we want to work with you, because you see, sometimes when we make this decision, sometimes when we make this plea, and you haven't seen it yourself, so that we have representatives of this committee working closely with our teams in justifying some of the decisions that we are going to make. So we undertake to work with you, bring you up to speed at every level that we will be undertaking, and especially beginning this July when we begin the process of of mapping. We need to start mapping these areas that we want to venture into, and water education, so that then you are able to bring it to the floor of the House in real time and explain to members what actually is transpiring out there. So therefore, we once again commit ourselves into this inclusion process and work with you going forward in deepening our relationship. Thank you very much, and I call it a day. Thank you.
Do you want to mention something when we want to end?
Yes, Chair, before you end, I know you are ending, and I just want, if you'll allow me, because as I'm a Kenyan, yes, this is the diaspora committee we are talking about outside, but if you'll allow me that I can bring them home so that I can ask something, because here we are with the IEBC, if you'll allow me as a chair.
You have heard of that, and I think we need to, we'll be giving direction later. We'll be giving direction later.
It depends. I think it's a very simple question.
Since this is the first meeting with them, let's also read the document and then incorporate other things which you might have outcropped, then you can communicate to them.
No, I think it's a very straight question. They can answer from it. It's a very simple one, not that you can have to read. Not that you have
okay, if you have already the answer?
I actually didn't get the answer. You could repeat it.
Okay, if you don't, let us know. But what I'm asking, Mr. Chair, is that now the registration is ongoing in Kenya, and maybe the turnout, if it's going to increase, the citizen will come out to register. But the problem during the voting